The Combined Joint Task Force Horn of Africa's East African Response Force, or EARF, arrived at Manda Bay, Kenya as part of an Emergency Deployment Readiness Exercise, or EDRE, in order to validate deployed soldiers and their ability to respond to crisis in the region. The EARF is currently comprised of Virginia National Guard soldiers from Task Force Red Dragon. This no-fail mission incorporated multiple injects, including a tabletop exercise with key leaders from each country, as well as security patrols in the local area.
So the attack a few years ago on Manda Bay has set the tone for our security posture here now. We want to make sure that no matter what malign influences or VEOs in the area that might want to harm U.S. service members, that we can counter that before they ever get here. We don't want to give them safe haven here in Lamu County in and around Manda Bay, Kenya. So we ensure that down at the tactical level, we're doing everything we can with reconnaissance and ISR to ensure that we find them before they get to us. What makes me proud to be a Red Dragon is I love representing the Commonwealth of Virginia, also the United States of America. It can't always be somebody else's kid, you know. Somebody has to do this job, and I wouldn't want to do it with any other unit. You know, Task Force Red Dragon, I think we have the best soldiers, the best leadership, the best logistics. I think one of the best units in the National Guard. Absolutely love it. Working with the Kenyan Defense Force Rangers, it's a dream come true. I mean, how often do you get to go to a foreign country, link up with a foreign military, and then go out and actually patrol places with them that you know there are some level of hostile forces? It doesn't get any better than this. This is everything that we want to do, and we just couldn't be happier to be here.